Yo, Curry!
Yo, cuz.
Yo, the doctor said if you take 2 of this and 1 of this every day after meal, isn't it? You see your face, dog? Bro, bro, can't try one of you. Yeah.
Yo, Spec. Yo, and the second message is me I left you energy. Call me when you get this, man. You hear that? It's important. Yo, baby girl.
Hey, what going Kyng, man?
You good?
Yeah, man, why?
But that's a check pan you, man.
Something wrong, Kyng, hour. I want me.
Why you say that?
Cause you call me baby girl, and not only when something wrong you call me that. So, talk to me now, Kyng.
Me you see you gone to the church though. Good move.
Someone call you?
Slimmers. You know we got page the one it is though. And John know him a move shaky.
Jaja God. Kyng, me never want you get involved, you know.
Oh, you mean? You like a daughter to me. And some you try out for your life. I mean, yes, but look like all one of your right hand involved.
Kyng, me just want to forget about this. May I tell you the truth? Me seriously want to change my life.
Yeah, me endorse that fully. Don't get it twisted. But you can't let your head back here, this. Remember, you need the 3 points, you know, to serve God fully, you know.
I'm confused, but trust me.
Yo, you know, say, me over say I hit this and run off the ground when you did that govern.
Me here.
And me all get to understand, say, I spend game.
Yeah.
So let me ask you something. You not find that strange?
Wait there. I'm not try to tell me say spend use it is to take me out.
It's a theory still, you know? But it's not impossible. But you and me want you to. Just keep your eye open and your wits about you. Me, the deal with the rest.